Okay, so you're saying that you have about the uploading email purchase list to create lookalike. How effective it is just have 100 emails to upload. Upload away anyway, but nonetheless, what I mean, basically, what Facebook says is very simple. In order to create high quality lookalike audience, right? I mean, for those who are new to this, lookalike audience is basically lookalike audience is what? Lookalike audience is the audiences that look like a certain audiences that you have. And in order to create high quality lookalike audience, I will always strongly recommend that you use high quality audience, which is a seed audience. Because lookalike audience can only be created from your custom audiences, whereby it could be people who visit your website, people who purchase, like Joel's case is people who purchase, correct? So in order to create high quality lookalike, purchase is a good one, but the number is also very important. So I mean, judging from here is very simple. If you have only 100 emails, the moment you upload to Facebook, you probably will get to match by maybe like 30 to 40%, which effectively you only get about 30 to 40. That's not effective. Okay, that's not effective. According to Facebook, you need to have at least 1,000. That's crafted. That's really in the book, in the Facebook blueprint. You need to have at least 1,000 seed audience size after uploading. So, which means if you're using email, you need to have at least about 3,000 to 4,000 emails in order to get at least closer to 1,000 seed audience. Because you see, very simple. 1,000 email upload probably will match only at about 30-40% because not everybody are using the same email to actually register to Facebook, right? So that's the problem. Email has lower matching rate. I would recommend if you can get phone number. Phone number usually can get at least 60% and above matching rate. So that's what I think. Yeah. So yeah, I mean that's how. I mean basically, I think to answer your question, Joel, it's not good. Don't bother, because it's not good. If it's not good, then basically it's not gonna give you a very effective outcome anyway.